Hello everyone. So again, the gold actually has opened Monday morning with a strong bullish momentum, as you can see, and right now it's actually approaching our take profit level at 2886. So now at this point, I highly doubt if the gold will ever be able to reach our entry at 2830. So now what's next with the gold? That's the question. Before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So now, I have to be honest with everyone here that this signal right now, which I'm about to give you, is actually having only 50% of winning chance. Why? Because, my friends, the gold is actually right now rising, and we will just go with the flow. The gold right now is actually reaching the uncharted water, which means no one really knows what's going to happen next with the gold. It's rising right now due to Mr. Trump's bad decisions and the involving of Mr. Elon Musk in his departments. So actually this is really not good at all. It's not helping the dollar at all and causing the gold to rise and making the investors afraid actually from the US dollar. So right now what we can do next is simply continue buying the gold. But I have to tell you something. At some point, the gold will be very, very overbought, and at some point it will crash. At some point, and this might happen soon. So again, let's please be careful and wise about how we are actually trading the gold. So this signal I'm about to give you, please consider that it might actually fail, and it actually might doesn't work as planned, my friends. So please, if you decide to enter it with your real money, then please consider any potential losses to happen. Why? Because we are going to continue buying the gold at the highest level of our resistance, and that's risky, and we are just going with the fundamentals analysis and with the momentum. So again, please, my friends, be careful if you have decided to enter this signal with your real money and consider any potential losses. So now let's delete the old signal, and let's now see what we can do next with the gold for the for today actually. Now moving to daily chart. So as you can see, my friends, even though last Thursday and Friday candles seems to be bearish candles, but I still believed that the gold will continue to rise. And as you can see, Monday's candles seems to be strong bullish one, which indicates a continuation in the rise, and most likely the gold is indeed going to continue flying. So now daily chart confirms that the gold seems to be rising. Let's now move to the 4-hour time frame. So here now is the 4-hour time frame. I would like first of all to complete the channel that we have right here. And as you can see here exactly, we have the channel just like that. Fantastic. So now we can notice that the channel right here is actually being respected so far. As we can see, of course, so many attempts of a supported trend line more than a resistance trend line. We only have 3 attempts of a resistance trend line against 6 or 7 attempts of a supported trend line. That's the sign that the market right now is indeed rising. So now the gold actually has a chance to fill the gap right here to reach the edge of the resistance trend line again. So now we can consider that the gold might actually continue the rise till it reach at least 2,900, which is going to be our take profit level. So therefore, the gold still has a chance to rise to another 237 pips at least from the current price. So let's now move to the 1-hour time frame and see where exactly we can continue or actually start buying the gold. Now, first of all, I would like to just do the chart like this, so we actually have a clear perspective on the market. Right now, what we can do next is simply draw a Fibonacci retracement right from the last structure that we ever had. So here, of course, we can see the separation between these two levels. So here we have, of course, a strong key level of a resistance. After the bullish breakout candle, it became here a new support. And after that, we have here, of course, a new structure. And the gold so far is actually ranging in this neutral channel so far. So meaning the structure has just begun right from this point right here. So what we will do right now is simply draw the Fibonacci right exactly from this lower high, higher low to this higher high, just like that. Fantastic. So now that tells us that right here we have, of course, Fibonacci 23.6, and the gold actually has a chance to fall down to reach, or actually to retest the same level of a resistance, which indeed has been broken out from. Now, how can we be sure that the gold indeed going to reach that area? The answer lies again in the supported trend lines. Check this out right here exactly. Fantastic. So now we can assume that the gold most likely is going to respect this level of a supported trend line with multiple attempts again. And remember, as long as the gold has actually made here a bullish breakout from 23.6, it means that the gold is actually facing right now a strong bullish momentum. Now here you might tell me, but still the same thing happened. The gold broke out from 23.6 and went below that area, and again went below that area. Well, pay attention. Here we have a fake breakout from that area. Look at that. Here we have again a fake breakout, because once the market actually has made here a bearish breakout from 23.6, what happened later is zero resistance. Zero. There is no attempt of a resistance at all happened right here, and the gold just simply kept rising above that area, and that's a good sign that if the gold now will continue the fall back, it this time most likely gonna create here a new support rather than a resistance. And combining that with the supported trend line that we have right here, and combining that with the strong bullish momentum that we have right now on the gold, most likely it will indeed continue the rise right at this area toward 2,900. So that means that we can actually aim around 326 pips with this signal, exactly right here. This is going to be our entry, and if we do, our safe zone shouldn't actually be ranging lower than the bottom of the real support right here, exactly at 852, and that means that our safe zone will be ranging for around 150 pips against 328 pips of profit. Let me now please write this signal for you. And there goes our new updated signal on the gold. Again, my friends, I'm sure everyone is very excited about last week. We had 2 sniper entries. We have made over 600 pips of profit with these signals. But again, not because of these 2 signals have won, meaning this one is also going to win with a sniper entry. No, it doesn't work like this. We have to always be careful and consider that at any time the gold will crash and one of these signals will fail. So please, my friends, trade carefully and wisely. And again, don't forget please to join our free channel of Telegram to receive any updates about these signals. I will update you right here to either adjust this entry or adjust the safe zone or even adjust the take profit level. So as you can see here, I'm sending updates. Let me just show you examples. Here, for example, we are sending updates about silver, about gold, and what we can do next with the gold. Here I'm telling my friends, this is a possible bearish reversal point. My personal advice is to accept 110 pips profit. So here actually we have a lot of communication happening with our viewers on YouTube. So please make sure to join this channel to receive any updates about these signals. Here is the channel Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below this video. So again, my friends, I wish everyone a profitable week with Xtreme Trader, and until then, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.